Today we are going to do Pad Kee Mao. Pad Kee Mao means stir fry for people who like to drink but doesn't contain alcohol, at least not normally. It's pretty popular and eaten by everyone, including the people who don't drink like me. Let's go cook some drunken noodles, shall we? Right, let Katie and Dee tell you all about the ingredients today.
Basil, kale, green peppercorns, red-eye chili.
No, I'm gonna say D. Red-eye chili.
Garlic,
Brown sugar.
soy sauce,
Oyster sauce.
fish sauce,
Cooking oil.
squid,
Prawn. And there are also shrimps.
Good girl.
Mama.
red chili,
Orange chili.
kaffir lime leaf,
Finger root.
And
baby corn.
well done. Cut baby corn. Kale, I used the young bit and then I cut the leaf like that. I use 2 finger root, peel the skin out, get the aroma out from finger root. Then tear out coffee lime leaf. Take the holy basil out from the stem. You can also use sweet basil as well, and then I will chop roughly. I'm gonna blanch the kale just to improve the color and cook a little bit. And then I will use this hot water to boil mama. About the noodles you use for Pad Kee Mao, you can use any type of noodles, or you can even use pasta, spaghetti as well. You can use dry noodle here, sen leg, we call sen leg in Thai. And you can also use the Japanese style noodle. You can even use white noodle, and when you cook the noodle, if you use the dry noodle, you just half cook because you need to stir fry the noodle in a pan again. And then I'm going to boil seafood. Red-eye chili, garlic, once you get a nice smell from the chili and garlic, then add seafood. Stir fry a little bit and season with fish sauce. Right, that's done. Bit of oil. More chili and garlic. So this time I will stir fry all the vegetables. Corn, finger root, kale, Then add noodle. And seafood. And season with oyster sauce. Seasoning sauce. Sugar. Peppercorn. And a couple slices of red chili spur, coffee lime leaf, and basil. Oh, smells nice already. Okay, now my pad Kee Mao is already done, and then I will serve on the plate and eat it.